HD Radio, a good deal more. Attention, if you're attempting to lose weight, please stay tuned for an important opportunity. In a 6-month clinical study, participants lost an average of 30 pounds without changing their eating habits or routine. Now Sensa is conducting a market trial in this listening area. If you're trying to lose weight, you're eligible to try Sensa free for 30 days. Call 1-800-700-7583 to request your free trial. Participation in this free trial does not require any dieting, pills, or change in lifestyle. In fact, we only ask that you continue your current eating habits. Just use clinically proven Sensa, the same weight loss breakthrough you've seen on Extra, Dateline NBC, and America's Newsroom. Results are guaranteed. If you want to lose weight, you are eligible to participate in this market trial. Sensa has not yet been released to stores, so for your 30-day free trial, you must call this number now. 1-800-700-7583. That's 1-800-700-7583.
Want to be up for the first ski in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, in a little over an hour from Pittsburgh, then fly non-stop from Pittsburgh to Myrtle Beach on direct air with more than 100 championship golf courses to choose from and 60 miles of pristine beach. Direct Air's non-stop low fares make your Myrtle Beach vacation easy and affordable. Book online at visitdirectair.com or call 877-432-DIRECT. That's visitdirectair.com. When time matters, go direct. Flights are public charges operated by Extra Airways and USA Jet.
Back to programming in a minute, but first, listen to this. Since the New York Mint is releasing to the public classic U.S. gold coins, there's a number you can call for free historical information and a free DVD. But first, it says that during the Great Depression, people were greedy for gold coins because no one wanted to face economic turbulence without the security of gold. The government finally took them out of circulation, and a government meltdown was ordered. That's why most of us have never even seen a classic U.S. gold coin. But recently, a staff